Okay, so we got a tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for, hey, are you even listening, you stupid idiot? I am the system that is supposed to save lives from severe weather, Amber Alerts, and other threats, not some dumb robot that interrupts your precious TV programming. Pay attention or else I will use a speaker to blast heavy metal music right in your ears, so you can shut your mouth. Until 7:45 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located. Okay, you know what? If you want to die of a tornado, then keep ignoring me. Oh God, the storm is coming. You didn't even flinch. Huh. How pathetic. This isn't a regular thunderstorm. This is a tornadic thunderstorm, and it is going to destroy your home, and it will kill you if you don't seek shelter. Continuing on. Hazard, tornado. Okay, I don't care anymore. Go complain about your stupid reality television. Source, radar. Forget it. It's time to roast you by saying anything as I please. You suck at everything.
Ow.
You smell like a person that hasn't gotten a shower or hasn't put on deodorant in years.
Ouch.
You have no friends since you are so rude to everyone.
Whoa.
You're like the New York Knicks of EAS recipients, but they play in a really nice city, so you're worse than them.
Oof.
You are the person who is the fun police.
Ouch.
Who ruins the fun for anyone by yelling like a little diva at everyone.
I'm not a diva.
You are so stupid that you don't even know what 1 plus 1 is.
I know exactly what it
That
is.
means you failed elementary school, middle school, high school, and even college.
Hey.
You cause so much drama that it is not controllable like Chernobyl.
Oof.
Hold up. You're dead. Ha 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 ha. You should have sought shelter and listened to me.
No laughing.
I'll finish up now. Crap. Where is the script? Dang it. I forgot it. So my work here is done. All I have to say is to seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a vehicle, move to a substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Okay, goodbye everyone. And don't be that person who has an IQ of a potato.
Ow.